All right guys, next mod for the STI, we are gonna be doing mud flaps. And I did not wanna go with rally armor. These have a little bit lower profile, and I actually like the decal on them. I just think that looks better. Gives it a little more contrast. It's gonna look awesome. All right, so we have two options here. This has the aftermarket rear fender extender, OEM, and the clip that we are actually gonna mount the flap to is up here. So we're actually gonna remove this extension and see how it looks underneath this. If it's no good, then we are going to drill a little hole through here so that this clip right here can go in. Let's see how it comes out. All right, so the side skirt extenders on the back fender are basically just held on by Phillips head, two clips and another Phillips head down here, and then a bunch of 3M sticky tape. So we're gonna clean this up and then get those mud flaps on. All right, so for the first one, you're gonna remove these 3 factory clips, including that last bottom one. Now there is one other bolt right down here, which if you remove, will give you a lot more space. So then you take these plastic clips that they included, like so, and you slide those into the factory locations, just like so. And then you take the 4th clip and you do it over the bottom hole. So once you have the L clip in, then you're gonna take a small screw and the silver washer applied with gentle turns clockwise. Then you're gonna take the 3rd bolt down from the top. You're gonna put all of them through washers. A spacer goes in the smaller one, which like so. And secure it loosely to all the new anchor points. Make sure it's straight and then tighten it.